Hi guys! Hi mga kailong, ting. Welcome to my math vlog. So, I am Cedras Dela Cruz from 9 Euclid, but you can call me Cal for short. I will be your math buddy for today. So, today we're going to discuss a kind of variation. This variation is given to me because I just like it. And this variation is inverse variation. So, what is inverse variation all about? So, based on the book, inverse variation states that y varies inversely as x, or y is inversely proportional to x, means that for some constant k, the number k is called the constant of variation or the constant of proportionality. In short, y is equals to k over x. So that's inverse variation. Wait, so it's just like you and your crush. You vary inversely as him or her. In short, you can never be together. Charot! Let's stop this nonsense and focus on what we must do. Because it's business time, right? Business time. Oh, no, it's not business time. It's study time because we're just studying it. And so now I will be teaching you how to solve an inverse variation. So I will be giving two examples of inverse variation. So let's go. Tutorial time! Sample number 1. Suppose that C varies inversely as D, and when D is equals to 5 and C equals to 1/2. Find C when D is equals to 10. So now let's proceed to the solution. Because C varies inversely as D, the C equals to K over D, which is the equation, will be used. To find the constant of variation, which is K, we must substitute C as 1/2 and D as 5. Now let's use the equation is C equals K over D. Then substitute the variables. C as 1/2 and D as 5. Then next we must multiply 5 on both sides to cancel out 5 on the denominator of K over 5. Then next, 5 times 1 equals to 5 over 2 5/2 equals to K. So our constant of variation, or K, is equals to 5/2. To find the missing variable C, we must substitute the given D equals 10 and K equals to 5/2 to the given equation. C is equals to 5/2 over D. Then substitute D as 10. C equals to 5/2 over 10. Then next we multiply 5/2 times 1/10. Is equals to 5 over 20. So the answer is C equals to 5 over 20. Another way is x over y over z. When you have this kind of fraction, you can just easily multiply y over z. So 5 over 2 over 10, and then 2 times 10 equals to 20. So 5 over 20, just like this one. And the simplest form of c equals 5 over 20 is c equals 1/4. That's the final answer. Tutorial time! For the second example, I will give a worded problem. The number of milk teas sold, which is N, varies inversely as the price per milk tea, which is P. If 50 milk teas are sold at the price of 60 pesos each, find the number of milk teas that will be sold at the price of 50 pesos each. Now let's proceed to the solution. Since N varies inversely as P, then the equation of variation is N equals to K over P. To find the constant of variation, which is K, we must substitute N as 50 and P as 60. Now we must use the equation N equals K over P. Then next we must substitute the variables N as 50 and P as 60. Then next we must multiply 60 on both sides to cancel out 60 on the denominator of K over 60. So cancel this out and then multiply this both. 60 times 50 is equals to K. 3000 is equals to K. So K, or the constant of variation, is 3000. Next, to find N when P equals 50, we must substitute K to the given equation. So N is equals to 3000 over 50, and 3000 divided by 50 is equals to 60. So our N is equals to 60. Therefore, 60 milk teas will be sold at 50 pesos each. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching my vlog, and thank you for watching my tutorial time. I hope you like it, and I hope you learned something new with this vlog, and I hope you understand how to solve an inverse variation now. Always remember, as Ma'am Nikki says, not says pala, as Ma'am Nikki said pala. As Ma'am Nikki said, there are many ways to kill a cat, so don't overthink. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please ring the notification and please press the notification button. Ding! So that's it mga kailong. See you next time. Bye. 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 Bye.